In this video, I want to teach you guys how to set up your Aliexpress.com account. It's pretty straightforward, but I wanted to create the video just in case you were unsure of how to do it. To set up an AliExpress account, you're just going to go to aliexpress.com, which is listed here, and you're going to set up a new account. After you set up your aliexpress.com account, you're going to have to set up a payment method. Because aliexpress.com is a Chinese-oriented website, they take a different form of payment called Alipay. Alipay is a secure form of payment method, so do not worry, it's very, very safe. It's kind of like a PayPal, if you will. And I'm going to show you how to set up both. So first, you want to set up your AliExpress account. You're going to go to aliexpress.com, which looks something like this. And you're going to hover your mouse over the top and click join. Once you click join, it will ask you to set up an email and a password that is unique to you. You'll click register. They will send you an email which you have to open to verify your aliexpress.com account. So once you receive that email, which should be sent to you immediately after you click register, just open up that email and click verify. Then you can come back here and you will have an account. Once you have an account, go back to aliexpress.com, log in with your new account information and password, then go back to accounts here at the top and go to, just click account like that. Once you click account, it should bring you to your personal AliExpress account page. To add a payment method via alipay.com, you're going to go right here where my mouse is, where it says My Alipay, and then you're going to click account, all right? And then this pop-up will tell you that you're going to be redirected to another website, and then you're going to click OK. Once you get redirected to another website, and it may ask you to re-log back in with the same credentials, but once you get there, it should look something like this, okay? And all you're going to do is type in your email address, type in this code that you can review here, and then click send confirmation email. Just go through those steps, add a payment method in there, and then you'll be all set up. And again, Alipay is kind of like PayPal. It's just AliExpress's unique payment method. It's very, very secure, don't worry. And once you have your Alipay account set up with your payment method in there and your aliexpress.com account set up, you will be good to go. As a reminder, the way dropshipping works is you're going to find products that you like on aliexpress.com. You're going to add that product to your Shopify store. When someone comes to your store and buys that product, you're going to come back to aliexpress.com, find that exact product, and then you're going to purchase that product from aliexpress.com. And when you check out, you're going to put your customer's address in the shipping address as opposed to your own address. Therefore, AliExpress will then ship that product straight to your customer. And that's the overall concept of how we're going to dropship with AliExpress. We're going to get a lot of support with it though. We have a lot of applications that will make this entire product process a lot faster. I'm talking about like 20 times faster, right? You're not going to actually have to go in and manually input all these addresses or manually search for these products and buy them. But I did want to explain the overall concept so you can understand what we're going to try to do and why it is important that you have an AliExpress account. In the future, when I go over the Shopify app, I'm going to teach you how to do everything I just described, but in a much faster way. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video.